Welcome to a Playmo AF unboxing for another mail call. I have to apologize for the stage today. We have moved into our new home, at least for now, and this is really all I've got. I've got the floor. This is another package I received from my friend Caryn in Canada. She had a few Klickys that were for sale, and apparently for the month of October, Canada was doing free shipping on Tuesdays. And things got busy, of course, with the move, and I had to take advantage of that Tuesday before the month ended. So yeah, this came in the mail today, and we're going to check out what we got. I did open it because she sealed this package up wonderfully. So I decided to go ahead and box cut it open. So we're going to take a look. Let's see, she wrapped up all the figures up pretty good too. But we're going to go ahead and take a look at these. There's the one I'm really happy to see. Let's see what else we got here. Boy, she really, Caryn, man, you're like a master packer here. I think these figures are safe. It's safe to say. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Here we go. I sounded so confident just a second ago. Now I'm kind of like, just kidding. Where is this? Okay, here we go. Nope. It just constantly wrap the tape around itself. I don't know what's going on here. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's torture. But hey, it's Playmobil. I'll take it. Okay, I think rather than unraveling the bag, I'm just going to poke a hole here and feed everybody out. Maybe. Goodness. Can we undo the bag at least? Okay, here we go. So we have, whoops, let's fix her up here. Oh, her arms are backwards actually. Yep, because they got the bend right here. So her elbows are over here. But yeah, I actually thought I had this one for the longest time. And then I happened to look at the one I had before it got packed up for the move. And this one, the one I had rather, is wearing the black kimono. So we're going to go ahead and quickly redo her arms. I'm sure after all this time she won't feel as much discomfort with her arms facing the correct way. Here she is. Beautiful figure. It's a really nice one. I'm going to put her over here in the corner. Nobody puts geisha in the corner. Move on to the next one. Ooh, here's another one of my must-haves. And I'm gonna tear open the bag. Whoa. So we have a clown figure, and she is on stilts, so she's just gonna be hanging out all the way back here to fit her. Let me see if I can move this up just a bit here. There we go. And I'm gonna cover her up again with the bag. If I can find that flower, I have no idea where the tape is. So she comes with this sunflower, and it's supposed to be a trick sunflower because it does have the hole in the center, and you fill up this little doohickey, this cup, this little, I don't know what they call this right now, but you fill it up with water basically, and you pinch it, you squeeze it, and it shoots water at you or an unsuspecting Klicky. Number 3 is an extremely cool figure. We have the orc. This is one of those figures I thought I'd never, ever own. And I can't tell you how grateful I am to finally get my hands on it. It's so unique just because it has this face. It's not your typical Playmobil face. And that's what's really cool about it. And this green, I don't think we've ever seen this green on any other figure. The hairstyle is not new. I've seen this on some of the witch figures. And yeah, it's just really awesome. But he comes with this helmet. Reminds me totally of Lord of the Rings. And he doesn't have a little, top feather. There's no hole there for you to fit anything, so the helmet goes on as is. Looks good like that. And then this is his sword. This thing's massive. He's one dangerous dude. And then here is his shield, which I would never have expected the shield, but the fact that it's designed like a boar, and it's very fitting considering what he looks like. That is so cool. So cool. Thank you so much, Caryn. One last figure to review. And it's not a whole lot, but it is a bunny figure. This is my first bunny figure. The head it's got a softer feel to it. Literally softer. And now this little piece here does not belong to him. This is the shield that goes onto the skeleton warrior that I got from the last video. From the last mail call that I got from Caryn. So I was missing this piece, so she was kind enough to add it to this little shipment here. But yeah, so I got the bunny figure, and that's really cool. I can happily add that to my collection as well. But yeah, and that is it. These are the 4 figures I got from Caryn, and yeah, I'm pretty stoked to have these. Thanks, Caryn. Thank you so much. And I'll do business again with you sometime soon, I hope. Everybody, thanks for watching. Please give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't. We got plenty of Playmobil content on the way, at least until 2023. Check us out on Instagram. You can find us at playmo.af, and we will see you guys again very soon. Thanks a lot for watching. We will see you next time. Bye-bye.